Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our weather analysis, and this is our weekend edition for this Friday until Monday, February 23 to 26, 2024. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. If you want to know more about the BPI Sustainable With You program, just click on the link up here for more details. Also, the Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion, and our Honorable Congressman Garby Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today until tomorrow, Saturday. We are still feeling the effects of the easterly surface wind flow from Quezon, Bicol down to already extending across the Visayas and the rest of Mindanao. Some rain showers and thunderstorms and mostly cloudy skies will be expected. And we have another surge of the northeast monsoon approaching extreme northern Luzon, and windy conditions of 30 to 60 kph with slightly cooler temperatures will be expected across the northernmost islands of Luzon. And we expect the northeast monsoon to be a little milder, and it's likely to reach the rest of eastern Luzon, including Bicol region, within the next 3 days, and that will be through Sunday and Monday. So we are expecting these breezy conditions to again arrive as we move into the latter part of February, and we still have time until March 15 before the northeast monsoon will come to an end, and we're now moving into the hot dry season. Just like I said, the full effects of El Nino is now at our doorstep, so we expect much lower rainfall that we will be expecting throughout the hot dry season until the end of May, or maybe it will still extend until the first quarter of June 2024. Although by April, the El Nino phenomenon will be gone and back to normal conditions or neutral conditions. So that's the climate that we are expecting within the next couple of months. Okay. We still don't have any low pressure system except for some surface and near equatorial troughs. Okay. And the risk of flooding will remain low. For the fast animation, there you go. Here's the surface trough, but nothing to worry about. As for the zoom in saddle animation, this is beginning around, time is this? 4:45 p.m. You can clearly see here as the evening progresses, some thunderstorms are affecting Zamboanga, okay, and also the western sections of Mindanao. That includes Bangsamoro and Lanao provinces as well, while some cloudy conditions are scattered across Visayas and also the Bicol region. As for the wind and pressure forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Monday, here's now the northeast monsoon, a new surge affecting extreme northern Luzon, and tomorrow Saturday it will start to affect some portions of eastern Luzon as well, and also into Sunday and Monday, where winds of up to 40 kph will be expected across Bicol region, Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. So not only eastern Luzon, which I said earlier, but it will dig down across Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. So this is a gentle northeast monsoon, mostly wind and clouds with lower chances of heavy rainfall, but there will be some showers expected. So let's see what will be the effect over the Visayas. But again, because of warming of our planet, we expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms to still affect these areas despite of the El Nino, but the amount of rainfall will be below normal levels. Okay, and for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, we expect some patches of showers across the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, eastern sections of Central Luzon, that's over northern Quezon, also over the eastern sections of Bicol region, over Oriental Mindoro, particularly Mount Halcon, and very small areas of eastern Visayas, Romblon, Panay, and also across various sections of Metro Manila. These are isolated ones. It's not significant enough to create high amounts of rainfall. It will just passing rain. So that is much better compared to a rain event. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the wave forecast from the European model for the next 3 days. So today we are experiencing some wave heights of up to 2 meters here across the Philippine Sea, facing the eastern sections of the country, while the rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands and the West Philippine Sea will remain 1 meter to less than 1 meter. Okay, while here over extreme northern Luzon, we expect wave heights to reach as high as 3 meters. And on Saturday afternoon, that wave heights will expand across the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea up to 3 meters, while here across the eastern coastal waters of Luzon or over the central portions of the East Philippine Sea, we expect wave heights to reach a high of 2.5 meters, and it will be dangerous to small sea crafts, while the rest of the coastal waters will remain calm and up to 1 meter of wave height, so that will be calm to light waves. And on Sunday, it's the same, although it's increasing a little bit up to 2.5 or 2.6 meters across eastern coastal waters of Bicol, eastern Visayas, and eastern Luzon, and that will be extended until Monday. Okay, and here over the northernmost part of the West Philippine Sea, it's forecast to reach a high of up to 3.3 meters, while here between 2 to 2.6 meters across the East Philippine Sea. Okay, so it's still good to have some fishing activities and sailing across the inland waters of the Philippine Sea, particularly Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea, Sibuyan Sea, Bohol Sea, and also here over the West Philippine Sea. So there you go. That's our latest update for this Friday, and we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. So expect the northeast monsoon to again return with a milder effects on us. Okay, so take all necessary precautions, and thank you so much for watching our channel. Stay safe always. Happy weekend, and God bless to all.